About 2 weeks ago, I was extremely stressed out about moving to a new home. I had a severe migraine and I needed to go to the dentist. I took some medicine to alleviate my migraine, but the medicine didn't kick in until 1 hour after my appointment. The music at the dentist's office was loud and my mother wouldn't stop ranting about my deadbeat father. I was getting extremely agitated, so I told my mother I would just go to the car and wait for her to finish her checkup. This massive truck was parked next to my car, and I couldn't get in unless I damaged my car door. I got super pissed off because this truck was outside the parking lines, so I grabbed a nearby rock and scratched the ever-loving shit out of this truck. I'm almost certain I did enough damage to where the owner would have to sand the car and repaint it. As soon as my mother was done with her appointment, I crawled through the passenger seat to get in the car. She was in the passenger seat and I quickly drove off.